in one place. In this video, we will walk you through the simple steps of creating an event, helping you stay on track and accomplish your objectives efficiently. Get ready to harness the full potential of PENWOK and elevate your productivity to new heights. Let's jump right into it. The process creating an event within the app is very similar to creating a note. To begin, within the app, click on the Add button. From there, you can select a category for your event. Whether it's for personal, business, or other purposes, this option will help you keep your documents well organized. Once you have chosen a category, you can select the importance level of your event: normal, high, or hidden, also known as confidential. This feature allows you to prioritize your documents based on their significance. If you want to add a website to your event, simply insert an external link. This option creates a convenient shortcut to your desired websites, making access quick and effortless. The phone field is particularly useful if you need to set a reminder for a call. By entering a phone number, you can easily keep track of important phone-related tasks. The location field enables you to utilize the map function on mobile devices, helping you navigate and associate specific locations with your events. While the title field is the only required field for creating a document, remember that it must contain at least 6 characters. The title should provide a brief description of the document's content. The content field allows you to expand on the information saved in your documents. With a character limit of 2,000, you can provide important details and elaborate on the content. However, please advise that this field is totally optional. Now select Yes in the option Add into Calendar. Once the calendar has been expanded, please select the date and time. Please select this option if you want to add this event in the last day of the month. Select event type from the list. For the purpose of this video, we are going to select task. Choose the task frequency. Select either one-time event or pick a recurrent event available in the platform. For this particular case, we are going to select monthly. Once the frequency has been selected, please select the time frame. The time frame will determine how long this event will be in your calendar. For this example, we are going to select 1 year. Now that you have completed these steps, you can create your event by simply clicking the Create Document button. Confirm in the pop-up window. Congratulations! You have just learned how to create a new event in your calendar. Once the event has been created, you can see the document in the dashboard. In order to see the details, please click in the View option. Once the document has been opened, you will be able to see the details included in the document, as well as the events created. For this case, we can see that an event has been created every month for the upcoming 12 months. Easy and simple, right? Streamline your life and eliminate the need for multiple apps or platforms. Whether you're capturing important ideas, organizing your daily agenda, or tracking expenses, PENWOK has got you covered. Hope this video made your days easier. Thank you for watching.